Hey, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm just going to be giving a little update on the week. I've been doing these videos every week about the PPP and unemployment and all sorts of businessy stuff, and I do that on Mondays, and then sometime else in the week I've been doing how-to videos or tool reviews and stuff. And basically, I don't know if there's anything else that I want to cover, or I don't know. If there's anything you want me to cover based on unemployment or anything business related in general, please let me know in the comments below, and I will make a video if it's something that I think I can make a video on. So basically, here's where I'm at right now. I'm still collecting the unemployment, but there's no change there. The last video I did was how to collect 2 or 3 days a week and what you get. And so I worked 3 days this week, so I was able to collect $39 on unemployment and get the 600 bonus. The 3 days that I worked were not full days. They were a very partial, kind of sporadic days. I should also say that my business is back open, finally. So I was working in other people's homes and in another business this week, and it was definitely interesting. So I wanted to talk a little bit about that whole, like, going back into society, into the work world, when I've been out of it for 4 months. I know some people have been working right along, so they're probably, accustomed to everything. But right now, to jump into it after not being a part of it has been definitely difficult this week for me. So, I've got to wear a mask if I'm in people's houses. They're wearing masks. I'm trying to keep everybody safe. It's been trying to relearn everything basically about how I'm doing business. Not that in the town that we're in, we're lucky. There's very small cases. It keeps going up and down. We keep going down to 0, but then it keeps coming back up. So we were at 0 last week. This week we're at 5. A couple weeks ago we were at 18. It's up and down and up and down, but it's all very small. But we're in phase 4. Everybody's getting very lax. Everywhere that I go, people are definitely not wearing masks and not social distancing, and it's concerning me because I'm doing everything in my power to keep myself safe. I've got asthma, and I don't want to catch this thing. I don't even want to see what it would do to me, and I don't want to give it to my family or my clients or anything like that. So I'm doing everything I can. What's been difficult, a couple weeks ago, I was doing some work on my house as I was trying to get back into the swing of things, and I went to the local lumber yard, and they are apparently not on the same page as me. There was 8 people in the store at one time. 2 of us had masks on, me and 1 other customer, and none of the employees had masks on. And I'm not going to say where it is or whatever, but it definitely left me feeling uncomfortable there. So I left feeling like I have to find a new place to buy all my materials. This is where I get all my materials. And so what I did instead was I decided to have materials delivered. At least if they wouldn't wear a mask, it'd be outside, it wouldn't be a big deal. So this week when I got back to this job, it's a bathroom remodel that I stopped right in the middle of 4 months ago, and she did not want anybody in her house, and I didn't really want to be there anyway, so it worked out fine. But we're getting back in there, and so I had to get materials delivered, drywall, Durock, joint compound, a whole bunch of stuff. And I had it delivered to my house so I could just load it into my big enclosed trailer and bring it over there. And so my first attempt trying to do this, I've had them deliver stuff before. Sometimes you're lucky and it shows up right away. Other days, it takes the whole day, or you get it the next day, whatever. So I ordered it at 11 a.m. and it came at 2:30 in the afternoon. And which is, it's fine. Is what it is. I got it 2:30 in the afternoon. I loaded it in the trailer, called her up, said I got the stuff. 3 o'clock, I was over at her house. I worked for a couple hours. I was there till 6:30 that night. And I was able to get all the drywall hung. Not all the drywall, because more than half of it was already hung. I just had to finish what we started. So I got the drywall hung and all the materials over there, and I'm feeling good about that. You know, we're all taking all the precautions we can without, I think, going too overboard. You know, just wearing masks and, you know, keeping our distance. That's basically it. So that is what's going on here. It's, as I said, very strange for me to get back into things. I am still concerned that this thing is out there lurking, this thing being COVID. So I'm not going to let my guard completely down, but me getting back to work and going to people's houses, and I've been getting out a little bit more than I have, and that's been plenty enough for me. I'm actually ready to backpedal a little bit, but anyway, that's just my own personal stuff. So as far as the business goes, we'll see. Next week should be, I think I will be working full time again, at least enough that I can come off of unemployment, which is just in time for the 600 bonus to run out, right? So good timing. But anyway, that's it for this week. And again, let me know if you have any questions or comments down below in the comment section. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.